Hello friends, Kevin here, and after shopping so much inside of a Pop Mart, the largest Pop Mart in Thailand I must say, we made a quick stop. Folks, we got the best seats in the house at the Pop Mart Cafe. We waited in line, we checked in at 10 a.m. and we got the tickets to bring you the goods of the Pop Mart Cafe. Let's take a look inside. First impressions, this place is quite small and extremely pink. There's flower mollies everywhere, crybabies on the walls, and gigantic Labubus all over the ceilings. This place is truly magical. Pro tip, if you guys want to actually visit this cafe, you must arrive extremely early. When I say extremely early, the mall opens at 10. Show up at 10. To get to this cafe, you need a QR code and you have to choose a time slot. Once you get your time slot, you have to wait in line once you get a wristband. Then they bring you up the stairs of the world's largest Pop Mart, the Pop Mart Cafe. We got extremely lucky here. We got to sit next to the bread Labubu. And when I say gigantic Labubu, I'm 6'4". This Labubu has to be at least 6'4". The Pop Mart Cafe is located on the 7th floor of ICONSIAM Mall. And I am so happy to be here. Let's take a look at the menu and decide what we're going to eat today. Look at these plates. Heck, look at these tables. All Pop Mart brand themed. Now this cafe specializes in wonderful themed desserts to your favorite Pop Mart IPs. Skullpanda, Demu, Flower Molly, Labubu, Hirono, and more. Today we're going to be trying out one of these specialized desserts. We're going to have a little coffee, and of course we're going to have one of those specialized soda beverages. And you know what? I'm going to have a cheeky little croissant.
The cheese, Molly missing you. Yuzu curd, yuzu ganache, and white chocolate. A hot cappuccino, the Labubu one. We're getting the We Love Croissants green tea pistachio. That's what we're getting. Iced lemon tea. These all look so good. They have signature drinks.
And just like that, our orders were placed and we were eagerly awaiting our wonderful Pop Mart Cafe meal. We're gonna have to sell one of the dog's kidneys. Photo of Jimmy. I'm gonna have to get a job at some point. Can't just be an unemployed vlogger, man. But you know what? It's worth it. For this. Whatever this is. Theme cafes can be pricey. Sometimes you just have to cope with it.
Matcha and green tea, like the smushed one, is not available. So we opted for the chocolate one because we still want a croissant. We still want it to be from Pop Mart. So it's fine. Everything's fine. So we already shopped at Pop Mart beforehand. And my one regret was not picking up a Space Molly. I think by the end of the trip, I'm definitely going to pick up a Space Molly, but the one that I really wanted specifically was the Garfield one. They have this like XL version. I think it's the 400%. It's a really big Space Molly, and she has a full astronaut suit that's just Garfield. It's like 200 and something Canadian dollars, but I feel like if I'm going to get just like one Pop Mart item, aside from the duck, because I love those little ducks, it would be one Garfield Space Molly. If you were here and you've seen the Pop Mart video, which one would you choose? Yeah, curious. There's so many acrylic little minis that I didn't expect to fall in love with, so that's like, everybody comes here for the keychain. And I was thinking about where would I put these? And they would fit perfectly inside of a computer or on your little shelf. I have a little gyoza that I have sitting right in front of me when I'm streaming. So I feel like having them there. I also wanted to incorporate them into my stream setup maybe. I don't know. Maybe make them into keychains and just hang them on my microphone. Who knows?
And just like that, our Pop Mart Cafe items have arrived. This is the We Love Carbs croissant. Okay. This is huge. It's a lot larger than I thought it would be.
It comes with a sticker, I'm sorry.
I was picturing a regular size croissant.
I mean, it was once.
It's like the size of my torso.
Breast? I like that it comes with a sticker. I'm going to be cutting this out of the paper and putting it in my scrapbook.
And while we were yapping, our drink arrived. Our lemon yuzu refresher beverage. What is this, a Zamomo? A Labubu? I don't know. But I like that they also incorporated a lemon, a strawberry, and a little blueberry in there. I think it's good. Whoa. Very lemony. That yuzu flavor gives it such a punch. Ooh. When you're expecting a sparkling beverage like a yuzu, you expect more of like a tame flavor. This is more on the sour side of things. Very, very punchy flavor. I like this. I'm not really a fan of sugary sodas, but this is excellent. All right, time to unwrap this gigantic croissant. What I like is the sticker itself is easy to remove, so if you do want to keep it, you can. Just gonna remove that sticker. There you go. That's neat. There you go. Oh. And here it is. The big ol' carb lover croissant. The texture on this crystallized, so it's not like a flaky croissant. It's almost like sugar. If you ever had like a sugar strawberry, it would be kind of like this. Oh, thank you. Mmm. 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 Love you, Mark Queens. Very buttery, like extremely buttery. And the chocolate's really nice. The almonds on there are very good as well. This is phenomenal. I'm not crying.
So good, so refreshing. I think after like the sweet dessert that we're gonna have, I think this is the perfect thing to have. I like the zest that's incorporated in it. It's a nice little touch. You really get like the zesty flavor of it. You can even smell the yuzu zest. Like it just hits your nose as soon as you take a sip, and it just makes it that much stronger. It's gonna go everywhere.
Got crumbs all over the place, and I don't even care.
You get so much more butter flavor because it's been like smushed somehow. Really good.
Molly has arrived. And if you don't want to eat her, you could just take her home.
I mean, we can.
But we're gonna eat her. You guys ever get a dessert that just looks so good you don't want to eat it? This is one of those moments. The coffee's here, chocolate croissant is here, the yuzu drink is here, and so is the Molly cake. It's just, everything's so nice. Everything's worth a photo, everything's worth a video, and I'm glad that we could share this with you folks. She's made out of white chocolate. Almost too adorable to eat. Almost. Also, Molly comes on a little stick, so you can actually just pull her off the cheese, which is crazy. That is good. That is good.
Now it looks weird. Show what it looks like now. He bit her head off. I don't want to show you. I feel like we need to censor this. She has a tail? Just chocolate. Very good. I'm gonna cut it in half.
And just like that, it was time to cut the cheese. Oh my goodness. Look at the inside. That inside is crazy. And on top of the yuzu, you know a good cake just by looking at it. And this is a damn good cake.
It's cheesecake shaped like a cheese. Very sour, very strong yuzu flavor. Very smooth, very creamy, delicious. So good. Labubu. I don't want to disrupt it. I'm gonna try and salvage the space as much as possible. Only half of his ear. Ooh, that's really good. That's really good espresso. I don't really taste the chocolate. It's very strong espresso flavor. Very good though.
She did a terrific job preserving Labubu's face. That is good. Yeah, themed cafes are hit or miss. Like, we've been to plenty in Japan, for example. Like, we went to the Pop Mart Cafe and the Kirby Cafe in our previous videos.
Kirby Cafe was good.
Kirby Cafe was good. Pop Mart Cafe, it was nice.
It was cute.
It was cute. But will we go back? Absolutely not. The food there was god-awful. Here, the food is terrific. The line system is really well put together. Pricing is reasonable, especially if you're going to a themed cafe. I love it here. If you're in Thailand, visit ICONSIAM. Recommendation, get here as early as possible at opening, just so that you can reserve a time slot at whatever hour you want.
Yeah, they had so many availabilities. You could really like choose if you want to shop first or if you want to do the cafe first. There was so many open slots, but we came at 10 o'clock in the morning around, and like even the Pop Mart store was quiet, but by the time we were done shopping, it filled up. So make sure you come early. That's the key.
So there you have it. For more food, travel, gaming, and more, give us a subscribe, and we'll see you all in the next one, where we do something else fun out here in Thailand.